बहुत अभिनंदन है दोस्तों आपका फिर से चैनल में। मेरा नाम दिवाकर है और मेरे साथ है
फाइजा।
मेरा नाम
No, I said it on behalf of you.
You said to मेरा नाम फैज़ा है।
I know it, but I said you didn't complete your words, so I just completed your words on your behalf. Hi, dude. Namaste. मेरा नाम फाइजा है।
हाँ। So दोस्तों ये तो बात हो गई कि मेरे साथ फैज़ा है और
फाइजा है।
What you're doing?
Nothing.
Okay, तो आज की वीडियो आप थंबनेल देख के पहचान गए होंगे कि क्या बात होने वाली है। बात होने वाली है यहाँ पे इरानियन मैरिज की, यानी कि जो यहाँ पे वेडिंग सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है मेरा और फैज़ा का, उसमें क्या क्या जो है ट्रेडिशंस रहते हैं और उसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरत पड़ेंगी हमें और क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें ख़रीदनी है आगे। तो वो सारी चीज़ें आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ और जल्दी से हम करते हैं क्या What?
You're talking in Hindi.
तो भाई जल्दी से फाइजा से पूछते हैं क्या क्या चीजें रहेंगी, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता। तो फाइजा वाटर
Let me check it. So what should I say?
Oh, this is a gold ring.
Yeah, I bought it by myself.
I give it to you.
No.
I give it to you.
Listen.
I give it
No.
to you. Okay.
Listen.
So Faiza, the thing is that we have to explain to our family that which things are remaining for our wedding celebration.
Like tomorrow we have to go to buy a marriage sofa. And do you want to know what is it?
Oh, marriage sofa. What is it?
Look, sofa generally it means that like it is something that we and you show them what is sofa like.
Okay. I put a picture.
Yeah, put a picture for them that they see and they understand. So we expand it on the ground, and based on our intention, based on the situation, we put different things on it. If we wanna expand food sofa, we have to put on it the things which are related to food. Okay, it is exactly like a table, but instead of table, we have a sofa that we just put it on the ground. It is not on height; it is on the ground. Okay. So, but what is marriage sofa? Okay, you just understood the meaning of sofa. So, marriage sofa, what is it? It means something that we expanded like underground, and maybe some part of it based on the design, because marriage sofa is a bit different. They have to design it in a very much good way, so maybe some part of it is on the table. It's just that cover. Okay, that cover must be full of different things related to Iranian marriage traditions. Okay. And so those people who are in charge of it, like those people that we wanna rent from them, they have to design.
So we have to rent them, not buy.
Yeah, rent. Yeah, rent, because there is no need to buy it. Like, okay, it is just one use.
Okay.
One time use. So then they have to design it in a very much good way. They
So
can put
it
some
is
flowers in it.
it is like a dinner arrangement, like for the guest who came in the wedding. So they have to sit in front of the sofa.
No, it is different. Look, sofa is covered. I said to you, sofa is covered. Most of the time it is on the ground. And food sofa is different from marriage sofa. Marriage sofa is just design. It's just design. It is just a design.
भाई ये कुछ होता है सोफरे करके, ये तो जब हम लोग लेने जाएंगे तब आपको दिखाएंगे। पिक्चर आप देख रहे हैं, ये होती है मैरिज सोफरे और ये हमने रेंट पे लेना है। So what कल we have to go tomorrow?
Yeah, so we have to.
तो ये हो गया मैरिज सोफरे। नेक्स्ट
the thing, and it is a mutual event between India and Iran and all the countries. It is the design which is related to bride and groom place, a special place. Okay. There's a place for both bride and groom. So it must be designed. So we have to go to a store and to just talk to them and do agreement. And it, like for booking all these things, for renting all this, not renting, booking all these things, we have to do agreement.
तो भाई देखो ये चीज़ तो हो गई कि मैरिज सोफरे, दूसरा जो फायजा ने बताया जिसकी फोटो आपने देखी है वो है, और डीजे जो कि हर उसमें होता है, लेकिन बट बिकॉज वुमेन एंड मैन आर सेपरेट,
This is just for women, and it is
तो वो जो डीजे होगा भाई,
and even my father called because it is the person who works with the venue wedding venue man, so he just do the best thing.
तो भाई ये वही वाली बात हो गई कि बैंकेट हॉल में, जैसे कि बैंकेट हॉल वाला अरेंजमेंट करता है, तो जो बैंकेट हॉल यहाँ पे बुक हुआ है, और बैंकेट हॉल ही बोलेंगे मैरिज हॉल, और वही उसकी तरफ से ही डीजे होगा फ्रॉम दैट मैरिज हॉल, दैट डीजे शुड बी राइट। एंड और रह जाता है फिर फोटोग्राफी वीडियोग्राफी का हाँ,
Yeah, studio.
एंड योर ड्रेस,
No, actually I booked it, but I have to again try it on.
अभी उसने अपनी ड्रेस भी नहीं दी,
And even I have to choose my this thing, what we call it, and
क्राउन,
crown, and even the what do you call it?
I don't
the
know.
equivalent of in English, but something that the bride just put on their hair,
हाँ,
it is white.
आई डोंट नो भाई, मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता है, ये तो लड़कियों की चीज़ है। एंड योर पेरेंट्स हैव टू गिव मी अ सूट,
For what?
फॉर मैरिज,
Why?
यू सेड दैट
No.
दे डोंट गिव मी अ सूट,
No, why should they give to you? I said to you that they threw, the guests just threw.
थ्रू,
You threw.
व्हाट थ्रू,
Last night, you were talking about last night that we were talking, yes?
या
So, it's different. Like when a bride and groom are dancing, when the bride and groom come, so it is a show, it is the way that they can show the excitement and encouraging us. They threw some chocolates and
No, but I said your parents give me a suit.
sorry, I thought that he said sweet. Yeah, suit. Sorry, even suit and even shoes.
हाँ, ओके, तो वो उसके पेरेंट्स की तरफ से होगा, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे मिलने वाली हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, और मुझे कुछ चाहिए भी नहीं वैसे। और so is anything remaining? So when we are about to go to buy all these things,
Look, there is a different time. Like there is a separate time for each of them because it takes time. Like tomorrow we have to just focus on renting and booking. So marriage sofa and booking the flowers. Even we have to buy the bouquet of mine. We have to reserve it. We have to book the bouquet of mine. And even we have to rent a car for our wedding. And even we have to design out. We have to booking the design out for our car. Flower design of our car. So
कार का डिजाइन, मतलब कार जो सजावट करी जाती है वो भी करनी है।
Oh my god.
There are lots of things and you haven't do anything.
I haven't done.
Yeah, you haven't done. How much you are. Okay. तो दोस्तों ये सारी चीज़ें थी जो कि हमें अभी कुछ ही दिन में आपको पता लग जाएगा कि कब है वेडिंग और क्या है उसका प्रोग्राम, लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें जब भी हम खरीदेंगे तो आपको हर एक चीज़ दिखाएंगे कि क्या क्या चीज़ आपको हमने ख़रीद ली है और क्या क्या चीज़ अब हम ख़रीदने वाले हैं, तो उन सारी चीज़ों को आप देखेंगे। इज़ देयर एनीथिंग एल्स?
I am hungry.
ओके, तो वो उसको अब भूख लग रही है, तो वो फलाफल जो है वो बुक करेगी। यू हैव टू बुक अ फलाफल, order a falafel.
I think online is better because as you can see.
हाँ, तो मैं क्योंकि आज मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए स्पेशल खुद चला के ईरान के अंदर कार, क्योंकि भाई मेरा बन गया है ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस।
Maybe we go and order the falafel not online, maybe in person. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I have to check.
Check what?
Check the addresses that right now they are open and.
So we can go and eat directly.
Yeah, if there is any kind of falafel shop in our neighborhood, we can go there.
तो अभी वो फलाफल ऑर्डर कर रही है और आज मैं खुद लेके आया हूँ, और हो सकता है हम किसी रेस्टोरेंट जाए। तो फिलहाल ये सारी चीज़ें थी जो वेडिंग के लिए ज़रूरी थी, और उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो आपको What you are doing?
This is like more romantic.
तो okay. तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो, और ओम नमो नारायण।